How to disassemble RH0266. LED light. To remove the LED light, first remove the mesh filters. Locate the power cords for the LED light and cut off these zip ties. Uncover the connections and disconnect by pushing in the tabs and pulling apart simultaneously. Then, push the LED light through the range hood. Control panel. Remove the two screws holding the LED panel in place and remove the panel. Disconnect the cord from the control panel by pushing in the tabs and pulling apart simultaneously. Remove the two screws holding the control panel in place and remove the control panel. Capacitors. Remove the 6 screws holding the control board in place and turn over the control board. Using pliers, remove the connections from the capacitors by pulling away at the same angle of the prong. Remove the one screw holding the capacitor in place and remove the capacitor. Control board. Using pliers, remove the connections from the control board by pulling straight up. Remove the one screw holding the control board in place and remove the control board. Motor. Remove the 6 screws holding the metal ring that covers the fan and remove the metal ring. Using a wrench, remove the nut that holds the fan in place and remove the fan. Remove the 4 screws holding the motor in place and remove the motor.